Hey YouTube, this is Dr. Sean McWilliams, and what we want to do this week is I want to show you how to use a foam roller. A foam roller is a great tool that you can use. They're inexpensive, and this is one of the best things that you can do to really help roll your back out, kind of like give yourself a self-massage. It's great if you're having really rounded posture, and I want to show you some of my favorite things you can do that I teach my patients, and I hope this helps your back and your spine feel better and help you feel younger. So let me show you how to use it. All right, so if you've never used a foam roller or have no idea what one is, this is what I'm talking about. So you might have seen this at the gym, you might have seen it at Target or another kind of store. It's about 6-inch round tube, it's about 36 inches long. Sometimes they make the half ones, and I'm just gonna let you know from my professional experience, I don't recommend that you get the half one. If you're gonna get one of these, get the full length one. You'll be glad you did, because that way you don't roll off of it, as you're gonna see in a minute. So I'm going to show you how to do it and some things that you can do. So for starters, what I love to do is we just want to get some extension into our spine. We spend so much time over our computers hunched like this. We want to open up our body. So this is how you do it really easily. You're going to put it on the ground, and you're going to need a little runway. And if you're a female, you're definitely going to want to tie your hair up on top of your head. If you don't do that, it's going to get caught underneath the roller when you go to roll. So real simple. You're going to start like it's a neck roll, like this. Okay, you're going to bend your knees, and to get up on the roll, what I want you to do is I want you to bring your arms up above the roll, lift your hips up, and then I want you to push yourself forward a little bit with your feet, and then bring your feet up like this. And then all you got to do at this point is now you can roll back and forth, maybe every 3-4 inches, and just give yourself a really nice self-massage. You can start to work your way down into the middle part of the back. You might get a couple pops in your back. If you do, it's totally fine. And we're going to work down to about here. When you get down to about here, it's going to get a little challenging to do, so I'm going to show you how to reposition it. If you get somewhere in your mid-back and it just feels really good for you to be like this, you can hang out like this. Take some nice deep breaths, open up your chest, and just let your body and spine go back into extension. So, feels really good. Now, for the low back, what you're going to want to do is sit up. We're going to take this roll now, and I like to start it like this, where I'm flat, lift my hips up, grab your roll, and you can put it underneath your low back, and just gently, real gently, let your low back kind of mold over the roll. I'm not putting all my body weight in this, I'm just very gently letting my low back kind of mold over it. For most people, it usually feels really good because we start losing this curve in our spine if we sit for long periods during the day. And they can usually do it about 2 different places. So you can lift up, move it down about 1 inch, and then you can do that same thing again. And just relax and take some nice deep breaths like this. And let your spine mold over this roll. And then for your low back and your SI joints, I'm going to teach you a really nice one. What you're going to do with this is you're going to lift up. You're going to roll this roll down about halfway on your buttocks, and then you can hold it if you'd like, and then we're going to bring our knees up like this. And so first thing I like to do is just bring my knees down, bring them up, and this is a really nice way of decompressing, which means opening up the joints of the spine. Do this maybe 4 or 5 times. You should feel the roll move a little bit underneath of you, and you know you got the right spot because it'll be just before it wants to pop out. And then you're going to want to reposition it. And then the last stretch I want to teach you today is that we want to take the legs and knees over to one side. And then to the other side. And this is a really nice stretch for your low back. You can do this as many times as you'd like. And that's it. It's real simple to do. So I'll take this out. You can just relax there, take a couple deep breaths. And that's how you use a foam roller. So I hope you felt that that was informative for you. It's really easy to use. I will do some follow-up videos on this, on showing you how to work on other parts of your body, like your quadriceps and your iliotibial bands, do your glutes, shoulders and some other parts of the body. But that's probably one of the number one things that most people request of me is, how do I get my back to feel better? And what are some of the things that I can do at home? So foam roller is a wonderful tool that you can use. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please write me a comment below. If there's something that you would like to learn about taking care of your body, especially your spine and your discs, which is what we really specialize in, please let us know as well, and maybe your idea will be the next video for us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We specialize in non-surgical disc repair. We have really state-of-the-art equipment, and we're here to help you. So I hope this has added some value to your life, and until the next time and next week, yours in health, Dr. Sean McWilliams.